Hello everyone! It's raining today, so I'm going to make kimchi-jen and jangchi-guksu, two dishes that Koreans think of when it rains. Carrot, zucchini, kimchi, seasoned seaweed, anchovy fish sauce, soup soy sauce, anchovy stock, potato starch, Spam, pan frying powder, vermicelli.
Add kimchi 3 cups. Just fill the paper cup to the brim with kimchi. Chop the kimchi into small pieces. Add pan frying powder 3 cups. Similarly, just fill full the paper cup to the brim. Add potato starch 3 tea. Add 3 cups of water. Similarly, just fill full the paper cup to the brim. Stir it until it's well mixed. Place the Spam in a plastic bag and mash it. Add the mashed Spam to the dough. Mix it well. Stir well to prevent the Spam from clumping together. Add 3 tea of kimchi broth to give it some color. When making kimchi-juns, you should use fermented kimchi. Mixed it well. Can you see how the color is getting more colorful? Add plenty of oil. Now put to the pan 1 ladleful of dough mix. And spread the dough thinly. Add the dough to shape the empty space. Turn the frying pan so that the dough doesn't stick to the pan. It's also a way to put oil in the middle. If the color of the sides changes, get ready to flip. Advanced technology is going in. It looks delicious. I'm going to prepare the jangchi-guksu. When the water boils, add noodles. 1 serving is about the size of 5 pesos. If the noodles are bubbling, add cold water. When the noodles are cooked, rinse the noodles in cold water. Slice the carrot. Slice the zucchini. Add soup soy sauce 2 tea. Add anchovy fish sauce 1.5 tea. Add anchovy stock 2 tea. When the water in the pot boils, add the vegetables. Boil over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Add chopped garlic 0.5 tea. Add black pepper 0.5 tea. Ready to serve.
Let's enjoy the food!
If you leave the noodle sauce in the comments, I'll let you know. It really makes you want to eat when the foods match.
Thanks for watching!